Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you two methods to change Wi-Fi password in Asus TUF Gaming BE6500. Let's go. Method number one, Asus router application. Open this app on your smartphone, then make sure the smartphone is connected to your router's network or you logged into your Asus account and you're able to manage your router remotely. Then stay on the home screen, stay on this tab with the planet icon and swipe left in this circle. Now you can see your network name over here, so tap in the middle. And this router has two networks, the basic network and IoT network for home appliances. So select the network where you wish to change password, let's say this one. And here is your wireless settings. Here you can enable or disable Wi-Fi 7, switch on or off 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz band, and of course you can change your name and password. Here is your password. Tap on this I icon, then tap on this field, delete your old passwords, enter new one. Done, and don't forget to hit apply at the bottom of the page. Now your password will be changed and all devices will be disconnected from this network because the password is different and you have to connect each device one by one to the network with new password. Wait for this pop-up to disappear. Now please reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Let's do as it says. You need to open Wi-Fi settings. Then find your network. It's here, and if you are iPhone user, tap on I icon and forget this network. On Android devices you will have an option just to change password in this menu. So forget this network, find this network again in other networks and connect with your new password, and do the same for all devices connected to your router. Another method is to change Wi-Fi password from web interface on your computer. To do this, stay connected to your router's Wi-Fi network, then open a web browser and in new tab in the search bar type in the router's IP address. By default it looks like this, 192.168.50.1 if you haven't changed it yourself. Then hit enter on your keyboard and it takes you to login page. You created this username and password on the router setup, so enter your credentials in these fields. Then sign in as administrator. Now it takes you to the web interface, and what you need is select the network tab in the left pane and select network where you wish to change password, your main network or IoT network. Click here, then on the right pane scroll down and your password is here. Once again change it, hit apply at the bottom and reconnect your devices to network with new password. That's how it works. If this was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us. Any questions, comment below and be awesome. See you in the next videos. Bye guys.